Ethic, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up, not no love is the that. For your friends with the love is sit and check on the cash. When they black bench.
Me say, me not like me sister, you know. Me not even know say, I saw Jeremiah turn a one wicked boy that to you know. After me come here, they want come call me thief. Me not even nothing from them wicked people here, you know. Wanna cause me come here, they want come talk about them missing thing. So what if me take up all little money what they have put on? And I think me not part of the family too. I want wrong with them, man. They don't want me. Nah, see them up in here, you know. You think they want me come here for? Me not go get it. They make a sad mistake. Oh, that me I tell them. So what happen? Me can't take away this too. Look how this are pretty. My sister Abby. In Andra, where she fi go now? That me they tell her. Oh, say when the old wicked them a come talk about Bible and key, all the Jeremiah him, but him turn the Bible and make it look palmy. Make the Bible look palmy. Fi make when people they look palmy now they come call me thief. But they don't know say me no afraid of none of them. Any Bible and key or anything they want do, make them do it. Cause me, Janelle no afraid for them. Oh, me teach this a knife here. When me there bush, me can't cut orange with it. Oh, well if they try to come in on my room, you know. They try to come in on my room. And that me I tell them, you know. Oh, they think say they can run me out here. They think they can run. Me nah come out. Me have a ear, man, me have to get it. Look at this a whole heap of money what they have. But then they save for mama. I lie the girl lie, you know. In lie they tell Jeremiah about her mama money. And the man, we know say, he want it carry gogi. So me take it first. Yes, and that they fi know. Oh, me I put it back here so. In case that the old wicked girl they using head about him come in and go search me back. By the way, who for back that girl they can't touch? Who for back that girl they can't touch? Make she come in here, come touch me bag and see what me do to her in here. Oh, nobody can come in here, come touch my sitting in my room. Oh, they say the girl wicked, you know. Look out upon this here. Real silver. Me say the same thing heavy. You can't imagine when me go back in the village and start put on all this for me hand. Everybody they go see say, me live in lavish. Look how look good for me, man. And this wicked girl they weary. And that him say, me they go give me sister. But me thief now do. That you fi know. Kuya man. And this a me love you know. But me say the old wicked girl put him and the husband in there like he love his husband. When me go home, me they change the picture and put myself in it. That you fi know. Go you fi go girl. Could they? Look good for me already. Oh. How are you coming here for, girl? How are you coming here for?
Janet, what do you mean? What do you mean? You forget very well that this house belongs to me and Jeremiah. Janelle, you cannot stay here. You cannot stay here.
How are you mean by me can't Tanya? How are you mean by me can't Tanya? I joke you make, man. Just I joke you make. You think you can run me out here, sir? How you think you be? You think I'm afraid for you? Me tell you, say you don't even know me again. Girl call the village and ask them about me. I told me and your sister you got out because you know girl you don't know me.
I said you have to get out of here. You are a thief. You are a thief and you are an evildoer. You come here to break up me and Jeremiah and it won't work up.
How are we kill like are you? Are you a wicked girl? You figure say you walk up here and hold on mama make we dey suffer. Are you hold on me and mama you know? That's why You better come out here, Yana. Oh, that me I tell you.
From I see you, I see devil in you. I see a demons in you. But the blood of Jesus, the blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, back to the enemy in the name of Jesus. You think you will stand in my house?
Girl, put on me clothes, Yana. Put on me clothes. You know me come buy me clothes. I me buy me clothes downtown. Eh? I me buy me clothes cheap downtown. You know nothing about me. We don't know where me get money from to buy. Which clothes are for you? Don't tell no lie for me, no girl. You don't see how me carry me skirt come here. Eh?
Is this yours? Is this yours? Huh? These are the things you come to my house to do. You are a wicked witch. You are a wicked witch. You think you're going to stand in my house? You think you're going to overpower this house?
Me will not see your opinion, you know, Josiah. Come out of my room, you hear one more time. Me tell you, say, come out here and left me. Come out here and left me, you know. I tell me they tell you, say, come out, you know. Girl, you don't know me, you know.
Okay, the time I'm arguing with you. Okay. Come and meet this outside. Get out of my house, oh. Look at your dirty face. Eh? Look at your face.
Where you go with me clothes, girl? Where you go with me clothes? Give me clothes and I make me. Yo, Josiah, girl, don't put me in here, you know. You hear me say me put on me clothes? Sure.
You are out of order. Hey, you want to come and manhandle me and Jeremiah in our own house? It will not happen. It will not happen. You forget, devil, that you're talking to me, Madam Josiah. Eh? I am ready for you. Anybody think that they can come and manhandle me? They will see. I have Jesus to defend you. I said the old girl there. Look how the old girl dash down me clothes. She think a garbage heap, she can't dash you out her house. Me say me don't like the old girl, you know. Me don't know why when in the band, mama never kill the girl. Me say, make me this come out of that girl the Josiah yard, you know. Cause Josiah don't know me, you know. Say flatter me when you want flatter the two of them up there, you know. And that they want to know, you know. Cause they must have things they afraid me afraid for them. Lord God, me say this son hearty. Me say my sister is a wicked girl. Me say me know say the girl wicked so. You can't imagine the old girl take me clothes them and dash out her door in the dirt. Eh? In the sun. Me say if the girl will ever go in the bag, you know, the girl would have find the thief in money. Come me they go use this money here. And God downtown go buy the clothes for myself. The tights all the thing all the falls here. All wicked girl. Me say, all the man. Me say the man I want wicked, you know. Kuya, this a thing here. Me say, I want this here. Clock I say, cologne it smell good. I wonder which part of me if you go. He said this sitting smell good, brother. This a lotion. This a knife. Yeah, me can't carry go when me and mama they go. Wicked girl that man. What is that? Holy cat here. So this a smell good. Me love you, brother. What is that money here, man? Me never see them here Kyle here yet. Never see it. Eh? Me hide it under the bottom of the bag. He said the girl a one wicked devil. Me say everything they call upon Jesus and they wicked. Me say but when they call upon Jesus, me not tell no lie, you know. Me say something juke me, man. I like me want to run, but me have to be brave. Cause me know what me come here for. Me know say my sister down here they live good. And me want some might. But look here, man. Look on them a something here. When they see me come back in the village, they must wonder, say, if I forbid me go buy them a something here. Lord have mercy, God. Hey! My God, this thing not in the pin. Come on, no ramp with me, so. No, because you're not used to for me hand. Yes, man. Me say that girl there, man. Me say that girl there. Me say me did want you something and lick down the girl, you know. Me say, but one thing though, you know. You know say when people they call upon God, people no feel bad at them. Cause me they tell you the truth. Although me plan all of this and do all of this thing here. And come down here with every parangles, you know. Me did feel so bad, you know. Because inside of me in the house so uncomfortable. Me say, every minute when me turn in the house, it come like a fire, they burn me. Enough time when the people, them they call upon God, them no know say. When then they pray, you know. Then they do something to the wicked, them, you know. They know fit to pray, you know. Although they see
Cause me they tell you the truth, fire they burn me in the house there. That's why me never name their food, you know. Because me don't want to go down in my belly and burn up in there. Me no like this thing you do, you know. You know say me nah come back down here. Me nah come back down here at all, brother. Everything then call blood of Jesus. Everything blood of Jesus. And make it fire they burn me. God. You know what? Let me come go back at the village. Mama must they wonder how me they go along with. Mama now go expect me to come back so quick, but since as the girl and the husband, me say Hallie Jeremiah him. Me no know say him so powerful, you know. The two of them really powerful, do you know? The two of them call upon God, man, sinting a happen, man. I hope they know say sitting there in the atmosphere, they might not see it, but sinting they happen. And that teach me a lesson, you know, to let people alone. Me not trouble nobody again. Worse if they say that they call upon Jesus.
Be careful of the whole of them.
Ethic, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up, no love is the that. Be your friends with the love is it and check on my cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purposely crash. So me stay far and pre them as I at the top. True man, I step up, no love is the that. Be your friends with the love is it and check on my cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purposely crash. So me stay far and pre them as I at the top.
True me by the black Benz, now I just screw face. Them no remember when me used to link June off the toothpaste. First page, free them because them have two face. Mama used to struggle back then in all my youth days. Now she a travel more than plane and suitcase. Pagan to try to keep up, but them a lose weight. The way me think out, me now fi bend fi tie me shoes late. Try to stop me now, me I tell you say you're too late.
True man, I step up, no love is the that. Be your friends with the love is it and check on my cash. When the black Benz pull up,